student. In this video we discuss about rulers of Delhi. Delhi first became the capital of kingdom under the Tomar Rajputa Angapala, and that Angapala was the first Tomar Rajput who was defeated by Chauhans of Ajmer, like the third Prithviraj Chauhan. When Prithviraj Chauhan defeated the Angapala, he became the ruler. He became the ruler of the Delhi, and that time the Delhi become a very important big cities. Under the Delhi become the commercial center also. That time the Jaina merchant also live there, and that was constructed temple also. The coin were mined also there. Finding out about the Delhi Sultan. How we find out about Delhi Sultan? We find out about Delhi Sultan by the inscriptions, coin, architect. One of the most important source of that was the Tariq and Tuareg, and that is the Tuareg was also be similar like to the manuscript. What is the Tuareg? Tuareg was a learned man, like a poet, administration and courtiers. These all are the learned men. The Tariq was also similar to manuscript. There are 4 stages in the making of the manuscript. That is, these all are: first, preparing the paper. First they prepare the paper. When the paper is prepared, then they mention the text on that papers. They also melting gold to highlight important words. Like same like we are also we highlight the words like a marker, pen, sketch color also. But that time they are highlight the by melting gold, and that they highlight those words, the important words. And at last, when everything's prepared, so they prepare all the papers. They binding them. Details should be kept in mind about Tuareg. That they advise the rulers, king, and they advise those rulers. The authors of Tuareg, they are a learned men. The Tuareg authors, they live in cities like Delhi or other big cities. They live in them, and they also focus to birth rights and gender distinction. What is the birthright? Birthright is a privilege claimed an account of birth. Like example, people believed that the nobles inherited their rights to govern because they were born in certain families. And gender distinction, it means the difference between the man women. Like they usually difference are usually argument that the man was superior to man is a woman, man is too much powerful than women. Delhi was transformed under Delhi Sultan. In Delhi Sultan, it means when Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan, the power came in the native rulers like Afghanistan. They came in the Delhi and they settled there, and outer become too much powerful. In the established after the defeat by the Prithviraj Chauhan in 1192, the Battle of Tarain, the Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by the Muhammad Ghori. So that time was Muhammad Ghori was become too much powerful. There were 5 dynasties that together made the Delhi Sultan. Early Turkish, and that is also called a Slav dynasty. It's a Slav dynasties mean mostly time after king, his son and daughter become a king and queen. But when the Muhammad Ghori was when Muhammad Ghori's after his death, his son was not become a king, but his Slav was also become a dynasty. So Slav dynasty was continuing that time. The other was a Khalji dynasties, then Tughlaq dynasties, Sayyid dynasty and Lodi dynasty. These 5 dynasties which made our Delhi sultans. Then other, that is Razia Sultana. Razia Sultana, she was become a sultana in 1236. She was more able and more qualified than her brother. She was daughter was also a Iltutmish. When she was become a ruler, sultana, the other peoples and her brothers not like them, so she removed her throne in 1240.